Are you ready? Let me tell you about a place where all I gotta be is me. All I carry in my pocket is my creativity. We got singers, songwriters, beatboxers laying the beat, dancers, choreographers, bakers baking them treats, ASL interpreters and magicians, they all here. Hold up, did this kid just make his mom disappear? Artists, animators, script writers, storytellers, hula hoopers, acrobats, entrepreneurs, where you at? Meme experts, comedians, scientists, engineers, and... Wait, is that a dog? Anyway, we'll put in the effort when we really want to. Take a break and chill only when we want to. It's me and my friends, we're always up to something. You're a creator when you're always up to something. No bullies, no drama, no haters, they gonna hate. Thousands in my crew, I'ma give it to you straight. You're a creator, you know you gotta create. Let's hear it from my homie MC Hammer 08.
When I first joined about a year ago, sister gave a shout out to her biggest little bro, me. Asia's shout of pride to our founder, the DIY community.